How to use the Wi-Fi Smart Cutting Machine. Open the box, find the power cables. Connect the power cables. And connect the power cable with the cutting machine. Insert at this position. And connect the main power. Please note the power light should be displayed green color then can work it. Then press the power button. After start the machine, we need to connect with Wi-Fi. Click My Account. Find Connect Wi-Fi. Click Matching Research Wi-Fi. Type the Wi-Fi ID and enter the Wi-Fi password. After display success, represents the Wi-Fi connect success. How to return the page? Re-end and click one optional, like contact us. See, now we have turned back. Okay, this is our system main page. This is total cutting time. This is recharge time. Enter the cutting code. Click the redeem now, then you will get the cutting time. Like that, enter the cutting code, and click redeem now. Okay, we start to explain our system. This is our system page. This is the front full cover data. It is full color size. This is case-friendly front size data. This is normal back cover size data. This is half covered backside data. This is the backside full color size data. Below is table size data, privacy and mat data, camera and watch data. And cutting the film before, we need to do set the blader speed and pressed speed to 2, press to 75. We have to set this data. Click Edit. After set the data, click Save. Click Use. Then it's finished. At My Account, click Language. You can set another language like Chinese, English, German, and French. Count. You can check this machine data, like the cutting machine cutting how many times, and cutting which model. Choose the starting time and ending time. You will get this machine already cut how many times for which mouse. Okay, let me start to cutting the film. Put down the pull rod and put the film to the machine. The film must be in the black line and pull up the pull rod. In System Find and choose you need to cut the model. Then click Send. Cutting the film need about 30 seconds. Our new Wi-Fi cutting machine also can cut the table size film. Can cut up to 11-inch table size. Okay, our film has already cut and finished. Thank you.